Delegated legislation is law made by an individual or body other than Parliament, but with the authority of Parliament through an enabling act. The different types of delegated legislation are orders in council, statutory instruments, and bylaws. Orders in council are made by the King and the Privy Council, often in emergencies, such as the fuel crisis 1973. Statutory instruments are made by government ministers to update or enforce laws, such as the Police Codes of Practice under PACE 1984. Bylaws are made by local authorities or public corporations to regulate local matters, such as smoking bans on London Underground trains. The controls on delegated legislation are the Parent Act, the negative resolution procedure, the affirmative resolution procedure, and scrutiny by committee. The Parent Act sets out the framework and limits of power, as seen in the Road Traffic Act 1988. The negative resolution procedure allows an instrument to become law unless rejected by Parliament within 40 days, such as the Road Vehicles Regulations. The affirmative resolution procedure requires active approval by Parliament before coming into force, as used for Police and Criminal Evidence Act codes. Scrutiny by committee, such as the Joint Committee on Statutory Instruments, examines technical issues to ensure compliance with the Enabling Act. Judicial review is used in delegated legislation to challenge laws that exceed granted powers through procedural ultra vires, substantive ultra vires, or Wensbury unreasonableness. Procedural ultra vires occurs when proper procedures are not followed, as shown in Aylesbury Mushroom Case 1972. Substantive ultra vires arises when the content of the law exceeds the power given by Parliament, as seen in R.V. Home Secretary Ex Parte Fire Brigades Union 1995. Wensbury unreasonableness occurs when a decision is so unreasonable that no reasonable authority would make it, as illustrated in Associated Provincial Picture Houses v. Wensbury Corporation 1948. The reasons for the use of delegated legislation include saving parliamentary time, such as updating the national minimum wage. Delegated legislation is used to provide expert knowledge, such as health regulations under the Public Health Act. Delegated legislation is used to allow flexibility and speed in emergencies, such as during the COVID-19 pandemic. Delegated legislation is used to enable local control, such as parking restrictions by local councils. The advantages of delegated legislation are that it saves time, allows expert input, provides flexibility, and can be quickly amended. The disadvantages of delegated legislation are that it lacks parliamentary scrutiny, can be complex, risks abuse of power, and may reduce democratic accountability. Parliamentary and judicial controls are effective as they ensure laws remain within granted powers, such as in Aylesbury Mushroom Case 1972. Parliamentary and judicial controls are ineffective when scrutiny is limited or challenges are costly, as seen in R.V. Home Secretary Ex Parte Fire Brigades Union 1995. Thank you for watching this video on delegated legislation. I'll see you in the next one.